Welcome to Fist Bump Friday. So very quick on rates, 6.92%, which is actually down a little bit. Rates have been trending down with the bond market that likes the results of the election. So for our fence sitters out there, we all have them that waited for the Fed meeting in September. They wanted to wait for the election. We had another Fed meeting this week. I know there's a lot of people out there still waiting for the other shoe to drop, but a lot of shoes have dropped. Big shoes, like size 13 shoes, have dropped. I don't know what else is out there to drop, but hopefully this is a turning of the corner for people and moving forward. So that's what we're hearing. So just passing that along. Average age first time buyer is now 38. Average repeat customer buying and selling is 61. So a couple of quick stats that I picked up from a coaching session this week that's pretty current and interesting. One of them kind of blew my mind, but there you go. How do people find loan officers? Well, 35% come from referrals from realtors, pretty straightforward. 27% family and friends, 14% banks, 11% online, 3% social media. Let that sink in a little bit, and 2% open houses. So we all participate in social media. When this was told to us, a lot of people get kind of upset because they spend a lot of time on social media. And the coach kind of helped explain what that is. But the reality is, if you ask a first time buyer, repeat customer, how did you find a loan officer? 3% of them said social media. Is what it is, not my stat. There's reasons behind that, and there's more connections, but kind of an interesting stat is what it is. Tax season is coming. Reach out to your self-employed investors, people that have investment property. I had three this week. All three of them didn't qualify. Two buyers. One was a refinance. That gentleman had a three-family in Dorchester. He was generating $90,000 in gross rent, and he had $103,000 in expenses. Didn't qualify. He had $2,700 net rental loss monthly. Boom, mushroom cloud. The guy doesn't qualify. So starting a conversation now with those clients who are going to be filing their 2024 taxes is super important, and maybe the difference between you having a deal next year or not, if they understand and know what banks and lenders are going to need, which at the end of the day is income. You have to show income on your taxes in all of those scenarios, or you don't qualify. So can't rely on CPAs and tax people to do that, because their job is to write off all the income so people don't owe taxes. And people are happy until they call me and I have to say no. I don't like saying no, but the reality is that's all that we do. We count the beans. If there's no beans, you don't qualify. So start that conversation with all the folks, your clients, and you might pluck a couple of deals out of that you didn't otherwise know were coming. So as always, we are looking for excellent buyers or anybody in between. We are 100% here to help. Market's going to get better, so let's get out there and crush some deals, and we'll talk to you soon.